In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Doordash order history and receipts on the app and the web. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review what you ordered, how much you spent, and how to retrieve receipts for budgeting, expense reports, or tax records. Start on your phone by opening the Doordash app. Look along the bottom menu and tap the Orders tab. This is your activity hub. It automatically pulls up your past deliveries in a clean list so you can quickly scan through your history. Each entry typically includes the restaurant or store name, the date, the items you purchased, and the costs associated with the order. This makes it easy to verify what you bought and how much you paid. If you're comparing multiple orders, take a moment to scroll and note the dates and totals so you can spot patterns in your spending or find the specific purchase you need. When you see the order you're looking for, tap it to open the full details. Inside, you'll find a breakdown that usually includes the subtotal, taxes, fees, and the final total along with the items themselves. This is also where you can view or download the receipt. Depending on your device and app version, you may see a button labeled Receipt, View Receipt, or an icon to download or share. Use that to save a copy to your files, cloud storage, or send it to your email for safekeeping. If you store receipts regularly, consider creating a consistent file name with the date and restaurant so it's quick to find later. If you prefer a computer, you can do this on the web as well. Log into your Doordash account, open your account menu, and select Orders. You'll see your order history laid out in a similar way, making it simple to review what you need and access the same information. A few practical tips as you work through your history. Use it to track your monthly spending and identify where you might want to cut back. Quickly reorder favorites without rebuilding your cart from scratch, and keep your receipts organized for reimbursements or tax documentation. Keeping everything in one place will save you time when you need proof of purchase. That's all you need to confidently find and manage your Doordash order history and receipts on both mobile and web. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.